So hello guys, this is Harishchandran Mishra, and here I would like to tell you about the Mahakumbh. There were so many individuals who were going there in Mahakumbh, and that was not remarkable for those individuals who were going there, and because of the stampede, the crores of individuals went there, like 42 crore and 45 crore individuals went there, and they got the victim of stampede. And if I would tell you the nitty-gritties, there were a lot of there are a lot of celebrities who went there, and they got a VIP entry. That was not remarkable for those individuals who were just a common individual, as well as they were looking those individuals, and they were contemplating in their mind that are we not humans? So because they were celebrities, that is why they were getting VIP entry. So what about those individuals who are just a normal individual who don't have potential to get a VIP entry? So that thing was not remarkable, and this was the fault of government. The celebrities were going extremely facile, and they were getting the bath in the Mahakumbh, but individuals who were common, they were unable to get the bath, and they were dying, they were croaking there. So this thing was not remarkable. And if I would tell you the nitty gritty, so like there were a lot of hermits, and as well as lot of individuals who were going there, and they were not getting the advantages. And also, if I would tell you the nitty gritty, there were so many urban areas from where the individuals were going there, and they were not fatishing about the individuals who are there. Their mother, father, and brother, even their sisters are going there. But they were, and some were going there for just doing a business. Like some were unveiling their tea stall, as well as some were erroneous who were doing atrocious thing with girls. And many of the individuals were atrocious thing with girls, and many of the individuals were going there only for Mona Lisa. They just want to click the photos and videos, and they just want to make the videos of Mona Lisa, and they were uploading it on YouTube channels and Instagram, and they were getting famous at this time. But they don't complain about the nitty gritty. Like they were also becoming hoity-toity, and they just want to denote to individuals that what actually they are contemplating regarding of the Mahakumbh. They were going there, and they were just bathing, and they were clicking their photo like we reached at Mahakumbh safely. But what about that time whenever they were going back from the Mahakumbh, they were, because of the stampede, they were dying. And after some times of Mahakumbh, like on Mahashivratri, there were a lot of individuals on Anand Vihar railway station. They died because of stampede. And there were a lot of kids who died, who croaked, and they were unable to assist. The police officers were unable to assist them because the amount of individuals were extremely high. There were crores of individuals, lakhs of individuals who were unable to reach at at Mahakumbh. So that thing was not remarkable for those individuals, and we should always complain to government that they should provide them compensation, because they have died and they want something from they want something from the government, and government is not assisting them. So this thing of government is not marvelous for those individuals. We had better we had better file a complaint against government. Government is extremely atrocious, and we had better fetish on it, and because this matter is not it is not kind of like we cannot just close it. We had, because government is erroneous, and we have to raise our hand in against government. There were a lot of individuals like advocates who were raising their hand against government, but they were not getting the satisfaction because government will not assisting them in this matter. Government was saying that it was the fault of individuals. Like, why were they going there in the Mahakumbh? They can go like after some times, but individuals have a obsession about the Mahakumbh. Like, it has come after 144 years. Then we would definitely go there, and we'll have fun there. And they were making the reels and other things they were making, and that was not nice going for them. And but they have proved. And when we if we will perceive the like hermits like Baba Bageshwar, and also so many other hermits were saying that if individuals are dying there, if they are croaking there, so it means they are going to the heaven. So they were also saying that they are dying for the salvation. But this is not the nitty gritty of individuals, because we cannot get the salvation by dying on the God place like Haridwar and Prayagraj. This is not a place of salvation. If we are doing the good works for the individuals, like our public work is extremely our public work is mandatory. If we are doing something for the individuals who are penniless, and in case we are doing something for those individuals, that time we can get the salvation. But for dying on a special place like on holy places, so it is by which we cannot get the salvation. This thing is not remarkable for us, and we should not fetish about these things, like we will get the salvation, we will get the salvation, we will die on that place. There are so many, also there are so many individuals who were going to Ayodhya for the Ram Mandir, but they were only contemplating that which we are going there, and that time we will get the salvation because we will perceive of Lord Ram. But that was not the nitty-gritty, because because all individuals were hoity-toity that time, and they didn't have wisdom about the Hindu culture, but about internal religion. Nevertheless, they are only fetishing on the individuals. They are only doing atrocious things with those individuals. They are doing harassment with those individuals. So why after Mahakumbh, we have like 1 month, like we are this time 1 month before after the Mahakumbh, why we are pursuing the cases, like there are so many girls who are raped by individuals. So why the mentality of individuals are not enhancing? Why they are doing the rape of girls? Because that case, because those individuals were only going for making reels, videos, and for clicking photos. They were not going for their salvation. So if I would talk about the nitty-gritty of individuals, they were not going for the holy bath in Mahakumbh. They were not going Prayagraj for their holy bath. They were only pursuing the girls. They were doing deplorable things with girls. That was not remarkable. And the main factor of like we can also perceive that there were so many hermits like Tulli Baba and so many other